Hello everyone, my name is Shrestha Sav. I study in class 3 Ivory at Rennes International School. Today I am here to say about the most amazing topic, that is the solar system. The solar system. Our universe has many galaxies. A galaxy is a collection of stars and planets. Our galaxy is also called the Milky Way or Akashganga. Our solar system is a small part of the galaxy. It consists of the sun and the 8 planets. The sun lies at the center of the solar system. It is a huge ball of hot gases. The 8 planets of the solar system are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. This is Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun. It is the smallest planet in the solar system. It takes almost 88 days to complete one orbit round. This is Venus. Venus is the brightest planet in the solar system. It looks like a bright star in the sky. It is also known as the morning star and the evening star. It is the hottest planet in the solar system. This is Earth. The Earth is the 5th largest planet in the solar system. It is the only planet which supports life. It's also called the blue planet because of huge amount of water on its surface. It takes almost 365 days to complete one revolution around the Sun. This is Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun. It is also called red planet because of its reddish appearance. So this is Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. Jupiter takes almost 12 years to complete one revolution around the Sun. The Great Red Spot, which is a spinning storm, is one of its famous features. This is Saturn. Saturn is the second largest planet in the solar system. It has beautiful rings which are made up of ice, dust and rocks. This is Uranus. Uranus is the very coldest planet. It is mostly made up of icy materials. It has thin rings. This is Neptune. Neptune is the coldest planet in the solar system, like Uranus. It is mostly made up of icy materials. It is the only planet which is not visible to naked eyes. So this is a solar system. See my project. Thank you.